This is a sparking and hot device from Tecno and Infinix respectively, and they are both priced under 100,000 naira, which the Spark 9 Pro is obviously the more expensive device at 99,000 naira, and the Hot 12 is some thousand naira cheaper at 93,000 naira. But both devices have almost the same specs on paper, but which is better and why should you buy any of them? What's up guys, it's Michael and I like the packaging of the Spark 9 Pro because it packs all the necessary accessories in a small box, unlike this big for something Hot 12 box. When I first picked up both devices, I preferred holding the Tecno Spark 9 Pro even though both devices have a glossy rear. The Tecno Spark 9 Pro glossiness is only at the top where the camera is located. Both devices have a case included in the box, but when you put on the case for the Spark 9 Pro, the camera cutout looks like a case for the iPhone 12. Both devices are made of plastic, but the Spark 9 Pro is more comfortable to hold without a case, and if you don't use a case on the Hot 12, you will see a lot of fingerprint smudges at the rear. Sometimes cheaper is better because while the Tecno Spark 9 Pro come with a water drop notch and a smaller 6.6-inch screen, while the Infinix Hot 12 comes with a whole 0.6.82-inch screen. Since both devices have a big screen and a high resolution at 1080p and an LCD panel, I will go for the Hot 12 with the bigger screen because I love big things. I can't tell the difference in performance on both devices because they both come with the same Helio G85 chipset from MediaTek and everything runs decently even when gaming on default settings, but when you switch to max settings, that is when things start to lag a little bit. Both devices have almost the same benchmark scores and the same settings while gaming. Releasing a device this year without memory fusion is like saying you don't need extra RAM, and this feature is present on both devices. Like I said earlier, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro comes in at 99,000 naira while the Infinix Hot 12 comes in at 93,000 naira, which both devices have the same storage configuration at 4GB RAM with 128GB of internal storage, which is definitely enough at this price point. But if you need more, we have a slot on the card tray for the micro SD card. The Infinix Hot 12 and the Tecno Spark 9 Pro has Android 12 out of the box with their various custom skins which are XOS and HIOS. And there's the power pass power when it comes to the device that comes with preloaded apps and ads. To be honest, I don't know who will win in this category.
Papingo Dabalaya, big gun in town. Come back here!
We have a downfiring mono speaker on the Tecno Spark 9 Pro which can be easily blocked in landscape mode, and we also have a stereo speaker on the Hot 12, and this is one of the things that makes this device really hot. These two devices has a triple camera setup, which the Spark 9 Pro comes with a main 50 megapixel lens and the Hot 12 comes with a 30 megapixel lens. What's up guys, it's Michael. So this is a front facing camera test on both the Infinix Hot 12 and the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. I'm so excited about the Tecno Camon 19 series. So let me know in the comment section below or what you think about both devices. Which one do you prefer and why? See, I'm fine. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about them in the comment section below. And I'm currently shooting at 1080p 30 frames per second. I'm just anxious. So let me know in the comment section below. What's up guys, it's Michael. So this is a rear facing camera test on both the Tecno Spark 9 Pro and the Infinix Hot 12. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about both devices. What's up guys, so this is a front facing camera test on the Infinix Hot 12 which has an 8 megapixel camera. Let me know in the comment section below if you know this guy. And this guy, do you know him? Do you know her? Do you know her? Yeah, Free Fire. Let me know in the comment section below of what you think about the video quality and the audio quality. At this price point, it is better you have a device with a bigger battery, which is what most people are looking for, and if you are part of that target audience, then you should pick the Hot 12, which comes with a bigger 6000 mAh battery, which you will have extra 90 minutes more than the Tecno Spark 9 Pro that comes with a 5000 mAh battery, even with high refresh rate turned on. And both devices come with an 18-watt power brick out of the box. To be honest, it depends on what you need on a device. If you need a device that has a big battery and display paired alongside with stereo speakers, then you can go for the Infinix Hot 12. But if you need good looking photos and a nice looking design, then you can go for the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. Let me know in the comment section below of what you think about both devices. Check out this video here where I show you a charging test on the Infinix Note 12 VIP, which charges from 0 to 100% in less than 30 minutes, which is insane. Or this comparison video here which I compare the Oraimo FreePods Pro to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live.